Yeah, the vultures are making the most of this as well. They're just feeding on the other side. They don't care.
Ignoring it.
Oh, this is none of their business, eh? Okay, you're going to go in. It's interesting. It's really showing how desperate he is for food here. You know, he's showing a lot of submission but aggression at the same time. Keeping himself protected. And they're showing a lot of interest in him. He's definitely not from the same clan, that's for sure. But the hunger is driving him to actually come here and to try and fight off 2 other hyenas just to get a bit of food. It's pretty cool.
Very interesting.
It's immensely interesting. Might have a go at him now. Let's see. Boy. Awesome, man. Have you seen this before, Pat? So cool. Is he trying to back inside that elephant? Is he? Nah, what's he doing? Okay, just watch what happens here. He's going to the toilet there already. He's protecting his genital area by sitting down like that, because that's a very sensitive area. So this doesn't look like it's a friend, eh? He's keeping his bum low to the ground. But the drive for food seems to be more than these chaps giving him a hard time. It's interesting, eh, Pat?
So when the tails are up, they're...
It's more to do with interest into the new person arriving more than anything else. Okay. Interest and excitement. See, they were just smelling his dung there as well. Trying to find out who he is, what's going on. It's awesome.